Finish up uyazi kuhamba like away.
Awezi. Hamba njani my brother vets, grand vets. Good to see you vets. Hayi nasi isihlalo sakho sobukhosi.
Yawe. Ngiyasikhumule skip ngisane vets.
Vets ungasabi.
Sure.
Ngizokwenza sure vets nje ukuthi akungcoli lutho kodwa uphuma usuclean vets. Ngikunika leyo assurance. But ikuphethe kanjani usuku namhlanje?
Bese sibasiqala uyabona nje usuku maliqala kodwa ku right kwethu. Yabo uyazi we always start with the energy bese wonke into esenzayo siyabelieve ukuthi siyaphambili.
Okay.
So kuningi ama challenges maningi because iningi imisebenzi emeli icover
ukukhumula isikho sakho. Sure vets. No vets I mostly understood but nje vethu impilo vele injalo you just wanna take it forward and give the best energy.
Uyazi kumele kube njalo all the time. Yeah.
No vethu unyaka ngathi usuyaphela. Firstly nje mfethu ngingasho ukuthi I'd like to thank you for extending the opportunity ukuthi to be here on the Barber Show. Yabo mfethu we don't take that lightly. And mfethu it really means a lot yabo. So today mfethu I welcome you. Ngiyaqala ukugunda. Sure. But I welcome you mfethu here at Slaka Salon mfethu on the Barber Show.
Shout out to Slaka mfethu. Uyathi yaphandle mfethu.
Showcase.
Support one another. Yazi business people mfethu yazi. Ayike indlela mfethu.
Showcase. No, most definitely mfethu. So currently today mfethu I've been looking forward to this interview because ubone mawusondela greatness now uyibona kuleyo presence. So I don't wanna lie to your work has spoken for you before you entered this room. Sebenzi wenu bafowethu it's big yabo and mawubuka impact enayo la elokishini it's very massive.
That's crazy guys.
So take me to everything into sure. So take me to understanding ukuthi ubani uLinda mfethu yabo before we actually get to Rhythm Boys.
Linda is out nje humble ethandela abantu ethanda ukusipana ethanda ukuya phambili empilweni efisa futhi ukubona namanye abantu baya phambili so ngisuka kudala kahle ne-entertainment yabo
sure
ngumuntu oyikhulele edlalela ibhola at the same time ngiphinde ngidance yabo
sure
so I had to decide between the two which one I want to do because yabo nasebholeni ngiyighost yabo
hayibo udlala iphi position
bengishaya attacking ngishaya left wing right wing ngidlala ngenyawo zombili
hayibo
I played for Lamontville Golden Arrows
unamanga
adlala amazulu ngiyakutshela bengadlala
hayibo mfethu
so ayempethu ngadlala ngapha ngithini ngibona umnyango yayibhola ngathi esiyangiphelela yabo then I switch off to entertainment bengiqala khona ngihamba nabaculi because bengazi ukuthi izozo ngasekhaya eMgababa
sure
yabo
sure
so then when ngaqala ngangena kanjalo ke ngadansela ukuthi izozo yabo after ngidansela yena ukuthi izozo ngathuka lapho ngathi shwi bayikhombe westing because bengazana vele no Babes yabo so Babes wangithatha ngihlala westing azwana noMampintsha kanti Mampintsha nayo ngamaphumulo yabo
so before izifike to like the later stages because I can understand ukuthi you have a great background with entertainment and the exposure is something that you became familiar with ukhula. Me myself I was a footballer too. I played soccer. I went to trials yabo ngasekhanya mfethu ngaze ngaqala ngokuthi ngubhunu and that name came from it isoccer igama engikhule ngibizwa ngalo yabo so for me it's I always dreamed of nje mfethu ukudlala at a professional level so how was it for you mfethu to just close that chapter yabo uthi ay sengiyayeka mfethu ukuphesa ibhola mfethu having it being something engiyazi kahle ukuthi hayi ihlezi senhlizweni mfethu ibhola
ngengidlale ngawo mfethu so always my dream ukuthi ngibe a first team I mean ngibe a soccer player professional soccer player so Hey, ngadlala mfethu ngabona ukuthi because of the support support u-Oledic kuphela mina bo. So it's like khona amanye abantu mhlawumbe bengisupport eceleni nani no HN lonke leyo nto le. Because wonke umfana nje uyisukela le mgababa uyiboza ukuthi uzoyithola ithi ngidlale but no support yabo lo. So ngigcineke okay ngasuka lapho ngadlala Cape Town after ngadlala Cape Town ngabona lento ebhola le ngathi ayisahambelani namanje yabo ngasuka kanjalo ngase ngishintela to entertainment.
Sure.
Yeah,
If you were given an opportunity to advise Ulinda 10 or 15 years from now, yabo, and if you were to actually give him advice regarding iphet soccer, yini obungamtsheleni, because not that uthakuphumeleleke ebholeni,
yes,
but wena mawubuka yini ebe disadvantage?
Tina I'll say Tina sidlala sikhula thina bengekho kulama opportunities akhona manje, as in like yabo njengabo amo TTC yabo, sina besidlala besikidle reserve eColden Arrows yabo, reserve eColden Arrows but with no yabo akukho lulu ukuthi ufike ku first team yabo. Saseke sabanikazi mina kuba ngaba le problem Arrows relegate where la introduce khona TTC Arrows relegate yabo, itheme isibuya TTC Arrows isibuya ku first team ku PSL TTC sefuna i-10 number yabantu yabo. So umuntu engam-advise nje manje ukusebenza kanzima nokuthi angayisaba ukuthi hambe ucela ukutrayela for amanye ama team lawa khona wonke lawa professional, because in order for you to uphumelele kumele nabantu aba-right.
So it's exposure.
It's exposure yabo,
because numbers are really wanted to play soccer professionally bapho, and ngobusho nawo ukuthi Oledi bethu ama-Oledi bethu they go beyond yabo. Bebe for ukuthi uthole ama-tires and also amakhokho ama-Oledi bethu they play a very important role. And bethu it touches me ukuthi you really want them, and you were this close to playing professional professional football. But I think baso beqinisile ukuthi ukuvaleka komunye umnyango, and then you introduce me to your entertainment side ke manje, because mangibuka awuqalanga manje mfethu ukudansela uTizozo. Like uTizozo was very prominent as an artist udala bafethu. So imiphi lo mnyaka leyo udansela uTizozo?
Ke ngikhumbula iminyaka especially iminyaka, but it was very, because umuntu oyifakayo but wami yabo. So mina mengifika endaweni ngiyahlonipha umuntu kodwa ngiyabonga engage nabantu ukuthi umuntu sozwana naye ngenxa yendlela engiyiphatha ngayo yabo. So that is when ke mengifika lapho uTizozo ngakwazi ukuthi ayibo uphinde ngathi uBabs besifana naye sesahamba ama-club hayibo kube easy for yena ukuthi angisondeze Westinki yabo. Fike Westinki nakhona ngikhona ngiyodansa kodwa ngiyayibona into yokudansa nginamahloni manje ngiyayimiss. Mampithu wasengenza i-road manager ke ye-Westinki lapha nawo.
Hayibo mfethu, hayi mfethu yabo lento engiyisho ukuthi umsebenzi wakho uyakukhulumela lo ngiwaziyo.
Ngihlomezekile abantu abacasi nje manje
basebenzile mfethu. So how was it to handle like because it's very hard to manage a superstar? I think
my road manage is not per se we are managing them. Because most of the instruction you are getting from umuntu osuke head, which is no muntu Mampithu or uBabs yabo. So mina mezose fethu ufonela labo okay angibathola ufonela uSibanibani yabo. You do that when when the show was make you clear kicking if you are on time yabo, when you communicate nabantu bendawo. So there was sponsor road manager.
Sure.
Yeah, then from there ngasuka Komba ngasebenza nobasebenza ne-West Behavior. Donkey Boy
no Pets. Shout out.
Still nakhona I was doing so many work laphana yabo, ngithothi ngizoshayela imoto bekhanjwa yabo, ngizofuna make sure ukuthi indawo mekiwa khona. Sometimes if I'm getting an opportunity futhi baya performer khona imic ekhona ngiyayithatha imic because ngiyayifaka yabo yabo ngilimit. So
no, but ngiyayithanda bethu. I think our shift is mostly gonna be, our focus njalo is mostly gonna be on ukuthi like always create an opportunity for yourself.
Yes.
I think that's what you've
Yeah,
always done.
yeah.
Very.
Yabo zingazilimiti nje mawumuntu usivulele wena iminyango because akekho umuntu ozokuvulela mfethu nalo ocabanga ukuthi uyathanda ukuthi ube lapha akathanda ukuthi ube ngaphezulu kwaso so when you must yabo uvulele wena iminyango yabo uvulele wena iminyango yakho ukuthi ukhube kuye phambili
yabo no but so the chapter of Westing gave us a lot of sound yegqom yabo but initially igqom mfethu mina I dates back right around the years 2012 2013 from Osbukado to DJ Leg and when they were coming up yabo I remember mfethu Usbukado and even DJ Mata mfethu Kalpotin those were the genesis days from igqom but when we were introduced to Gold Max, Distraction Boys, QDJ, and then later Westing, of which we saw the shine of Upemso Duma. To be around that era for you, having to see and learn from one of the greatest pioneers of igqom, what was your mindset ngalesi sikhathi?
So first ungathina first ungiphindela kancane bese umbuzo wakho uzwanga kahle zama ukuthola ukuhlanganisa yakho
ukuthi having to be in that time founding of Westing wena ngaloso sikhathi wawukuphi ngokucabanga wawuyibona uthi no nami ngizoba uproducer I'm gonna be in a duo a very successful in the igqom industry or you were ngobusho ukuthi bekukuthatha amathuba wena ikona ukubeka la khona manje
njengoba ngisho nje mfethu okay well mina ngifike Westing o-Gold Max nabo Thukuzi sebe right yabo sebephumile Westing ibesekusele nje uMampintsha I think i-artist ebelikhulu athi Mampintsha no-Pepsi Dome yabo yeah I think bese bengasekho la abantu bedumene Westing eqaleni iqala so kodwa ke ukuhamba nami noMampintsha ukona lebengihambe ngifunda khona indlela ukuthi okwenziwa kanje yabo because into eningi ngiyakwazi ukuzenza yabo so njengoba ngisho nje ngikhule ngidansa so ngiyakwazi ukuhlanganisa la mwenza nje artist uyiphatha kanje ngifunde khona ukuthi uyiphatha kanjani ucela kanjani ama gigs ukuthi ube lamanye ama gigs yabo as the artist so bengihambe ngifunda nje ngendoda enkulu nje first shout out to that guy first yabo lali ngokuthula la khona kodwa bese kuningi mina ngifundise kona yabo kuningi ngifundise khona and bezwana kakhulu nala
sure no mfethu kuyisibusiso ukuthola abantu abakuphendela indlela abangazange babe nomona ba withhold ulwazi because empilweni I think a lot of people get delayed ngenxa ama decisions are rely kwabanye abantu yabo and only if abantu could also be transparent and bekwazi ukuthi I know iconteshiwe one of our gents uGustavo in our last episode ukuthi being in collaboration with other people it doesn't dim your light wena so mina njoba ngikunda akusho ukuthi ukugunda komunye umuntu kuzonciphisa isibani sami yayibona lonto mfethu so it is very important ukuthi we understand that ukuthi collaboration mfethu is very important so currently right now mfethu you have grown beyond I believe what you also imagined for yourself because masibuka isikhathi esikusona iWrhythm Boys mfethu it's headlining almost every show and the mawubuka ukuthi what it means for the isikhathi esikusona we're living in an era where entertainment now has a bit of much more currency because kudala ama groups and ama artists were
mina I feel like ama artists akudala mfuthu ungayishaya impilo uyawakhumbula nawo oPepsi Dome babebhuka ngo150,000 yabo i150,000 usayimali manje kuyabheda manje isimo somnotho sichekile and labo producer ama promoter ane style esodwa manje yabo akunciphisa imali yabo lo so kuningi impilo yabizi
ubeda no object nje lambuzo wami usenza
ngiyabona bayishaya kakhulu bese abantu bakudala imali bayishaya kakhulu i-currency bisa strong yabo ngenxa simo somnotho bese sangonyana okwamanje bese iyayanikwa manje bese
what my debate is because Dala it was very rare to think of independence. You were always going to be confined in a label and there had to be a lot of cuts before you can actually get your paycheck.
Yeah.
Kanti manje ama streaming platforms they go directly to you. Uyayibona leyo nto. Only if usazi story sakho. So wena ungasho ke kusunaba ke phezulu lokho sokubekile ukuthi i-era sikuyona economically for entertainment uyibona ukuthi ikuphi la engalungiswa khona.
Bethu uzoyiqala nje kanje lento le. Obviously bayawuthanda nombuzo ukuthi befuna ukubhukha efethe uyimalini. Yabo? Lo muntu bekubuza kanjalo fanele umphendule wena ngendlela le kuyiyona ngisho. Umphendula ngendlela professional ukuthi no costing price yami let's say ngithi 10k. Azi umuntu uzothini? Uthi hayi mfethu hayi. Sina 6. Yabo sephula manje sephula 4000 wena uyawazi lo 10 kuba uthe 10 uthi 10 ukhokhela nani ukuze kuhlangane i-team ne-brand yabona because there's ningi into ekhokhelwayo bangabona ile boys loba abantu abawu2 but kuningi sikukhokhelayo sine road manager sine management team yethu sineningi ama artwork o petrol yabona wona 10000 which yonke ngibona ngathi bafela we understand ukuthi ziningi into esikhokhelayo phansi ngenxa simo somnotho lokuthi uyogcina unganalutho phela uyavuma uthi hey face hey singaletha lo 5 lo 6 usuyathatha umuntu indawo mhlawumbe uzoba no 6 that's why uthola uzoba namakick amaningi yabo uhlanganisa labo 6 uphumele isipalo sakho
and leyo nto bethi yakhosta nawe ngehealth mfethu so shaya
training overtime uphumule kahle because ushakha le mali bese kunzima kancane iyona nje futhi bengathi mhlawumbe belungise leyo part ukuthi nje futhi angazi ukuthi angiboni sengalungiseke ngale yanto into yasethi angazi second because nase Cape Town because last year sibhukwe a lot of Cape Town bosifike Cape Town besiphuthele thothi sizobacela ukuthi hayi face konke uthi usiyeza bakulinda ufike uqasa ke bhanoyi mawaqathaka nje sethi hayi sondele sino 3000 cabanga usodi eKTV uyodlala eCape Town ngo 3000 yabo but bekuzo uyihansi sefela uhlanganise labo 3000 yabo uyayibona so nje bese injalo nje bese kodwa phela ngiyisalungise nje wangisho kuba phela ama promoter atshela abanikazi bendawo nabanikazi bendawo sebeyayazi lona kanti wrong
no mfethu I think it can be fixed mfethu trust me ayikho into engalungiseki and I think it can open a channel yabo ukuthi bafethu promoters get on the comments yini eyenza mfethu kuba ukuthi ama artists aba exploited because that's exploitation yabo lona because you cannot expect to just become a book artist is not only just one person it goes with fashion it goes with image it goes with travel accommodation hayi bese lezo zinto so pay the right amount for amajeto ukuze ezokwazi ukuyibona nayo into ayivukelana
kunzima nje first kunzima kakhulu
well there's a point I really want to raise ungangizwa kabi because I there's this podcast I watch mfethu School of Hard Knocks fortunately ba interview one of the guys or hip hop artist uRas so lo amjida mfethu he said he made 20 million a year yabo bambuza uthi but how do you do that as an artist wase wathi mfethu a lot of artists would be debating bethi mfethu I just want to get those gigs yabo so that I can make money but mawubuka the people that make money on the music industry are record labels but bona specifically they don't gig they own ama rights to music so what mfethu independency is the way because in that way you can own your royalties your rights yabo so kulesikhathi sikusona ke ama rights do they mean something like my streaming numbers are they like fueling the lifestyle that you actually need and that
you ngizothi yes mfethu yabo ukuthi phela despite ukuthi izinto zenzeka before but kodwa nje ngikhulume nje current ngoba mina ngiyimele mina manje yonke into isho kumina yenzeka kumina so ayishintshe impilo yomuntu first kungenzeka umuntu nenhlanhla uphushe kahle ingoma yakho ngakulethela mhlambe lo 20 million ngenze example angisho uthi but uma uyiphushe kahle ingoma yakho ukuthi ingoma abantu bayithanda yabo iyakufikisa lo 20 million so I think lo mjida wayeqonda ukusho njalo ukuthi depend of music wakho ukuthi ukusebenzele kanjani lo sikhathi le mawunenhlanhla enkulu ungafikisa kulo
but yazi ngayithanda ke osindlela asho ngayo but what yazini it doesn't have to be just one song
yeah
but more releasing ingoma consecutively
yes.
and you build the market
you need consistent yeah market kumele be strong
sure
and also njengoba ngisho nje phela into ebuyishaye ke thina la awuyeke ukuye advertiser phela yabo
it's something nje kumele ihlezi
khona but because of inkinga ama expenses ezinto ezenza ngakhona ugcina ungakhona kuba limited kwezinye izinto ungakhona so inhliziyo yakho yeah like I mean nje bese ukushutha i-live mix le u-DJ lapha the quality of 5,000 to upward so uzothatha amachita up and down bese lokishini ukuzenza lona yabo kodwa in order for you ukuthi ikulethe ungenele imali la kumele
ukhiphe imali it's an investment it's a business actually yeah but you know I really admire that because currently right now we were introduced to 3-Step so 3-Step so was dansa ngenye indlela and behlezi kunale debate ukuthi hayi 3-Step yala eThekwini the same way also futhi ipiano kwelasePretoria yabo so if you could just point out a comment ukuthi right now igqomu ngoba li dominant kanje yini obone ngathi over the years yenze kube ngathi liyehla because there are talks around there ukuthi like kwangathi liyashabalala
ngizokutshela nje bese back then sekungconyana manje ubone ngathi laphakama kanje back then amachita bengabambisene ngizothini laba sebephumelele bengafuni ukuyihlanganisa nalaba abazama yabo
sure
kanti angifuni ukuthi abantu abo small producer noma ngithi abasazama but abangalitholi ithuba ukuthi bavele nabo so bebevaleleke kakhulu overfit yabo into engiyibonile mina ngikhulu plus unlike manje uyathola ukuthi with the boys yezwanela mhlawumbe nomunye umuntu osazama ukuthi avuke kodwa ingoma sesinazo seziningi yabo lo futhi nalo umuntu uyazwana nabanye angifuni ukumeshela amagama abantu
yabo
ngibalela ukumeshela amagama phansi nje bese seyikhona lento ukuthi manje
sekune unity
this is yonke sifunayo le
sure
yabo siyaphambili akusekho indaba yenzondo manje isincane noma ikhona ngoba iziphele phela ngoba bakhona abafuna ukuhlezi kube yibona aba right abangafuni ukubona umuntu ephambili lonto into engenza izinto but nje thina esifisa ukubona labo ngoba kuba nasithola opportunity nalabanye abafisa fanele bayithole asinankinga nalonto yabo because I believe like in order for you to be right empilweni angifanele bakhona ukuvulela iminyango so if mina lentwana le yaselokishini ngicela ukuthi mfethu Linda shaya ingoma mhlawumbe yona ina i-purpose uyazi isifiso sayo ukuthi hey le ngoma mhlawumbe engayishaya ngingacela ubani mhlawumbe le ngoma igcina ingidumisa yayibona
lona sure
yona ke mfethu leyo nto abashayile eqaleni and esingconyana manje that's why ingoma selikwazi ukucompete ngale ndlela because baningi abantu yabo ababambile sesihlangene siyi-team manje
yabo everyone is playing their role
sibona nama content creator now futhi nama content creator group ayazwana phela kodwa banemdansi ehlukahlukene so nje phela igoma liyanyuka kakhulu manje futhi
hayi mfethu ngiyabona mfethu
ngoba sekubanjiswene
mfethu
ayikho into engenzeki mekubanjiswene uyaba ngiyade ngishiwe seqaleni
mfethu
yabo so nje the advice engayinikeza ama-outs nje mfethu emakhaya ukuthi nje mfethu ama-outs aqhubeke zame engalaleli abantu abanomona umuntu onomona bekuphoxile mfethu fine shiye eceleni zama omunye umuntu baningi abantu and ngeke bayivale bonke iminyango yakho yabona baningi abantu abakhona manje mfethu yabo mengulinda nawe ulinda uyahluleka ukuthi angizama omunye umuntu ngoze ngimthole ozongilalela but at the same time uthi zama umuntu ebephusha uSpan angasho ngomlomo uthi hayi mina ngiuproducer mina ngiuproducer nasi ingoma zami ezu5 oyibuke mfethu oyilalela uyayibona lona bese ngine file engifuna ukulenza mfethu lalinda mfethu ungalizwa kanjani mhlawumbe umoya wenu nasi snippet sakhona yayizwa lona lo muntu lo ukhombisa ukuthi ukhuthele naso snippet sesasiveza
into akhona asebenzela phezulu
silalela le ngoma ulalela le ngoma ngangisebenzela isitela sami asisipane njalo sisipane upane kanjalo nalomuntu
and then mfethu sekuyinto esihlangene
mfethu
no mfethu ayingifuqama ngafethu ngiyalibona leli khanda ukuthi ngilokhu ngiligunda likhulu lona ayacabanga futhi uhlakaniphile
so mfethu
uhlakaniphile bafu uhlakaniphile
kuningi nje engifisayo namajito uthakhule yabo nje nami ngakhuliswa so
sure no mfethu inhleke lento esho ngoba ukukhulisa kwakho shouldn't only be beneficial to you yabo kumele khambe kuye nakwabanye mfethu so with them boys mfethu uba waqhamuka le attack mfethu
mina mfethu
hayi le attack mfethu
apparently bengino Dankie Boy elo siqala yonke lento with the boys yabo
sure
kaze kuba khona ukuthi ke uDankie uyasho ukuthi hayi mfethu mhlawumbe bese itake yakho with them boys asengufakile with them boys yabo
sure
mhlawumbe wathi uboy hayi mfethu hayi isini labafana abashwele yabona ngase ngithi mina ngithi labafana abashwele yabo with them boys yabo lo ama social dance yabo iyaqhubeka lento yabo with them boys ama social dance so ngase kube into kanjalo ke bhuti wami
so on studio no Dankie Boy
yeah because uyena umuntu bengizwana naye kakhulu yabo because I said ukuthi ngisipanile labo bese ayibehave engakayimeli naye yedwa
sure eish I face le exclusive esiyitholayo ukuthi kwame kwathiwa with them boys waswathini uDankie Boy
mina ngafika ngasiphe Dankie Boy ngaqala namagama khona amagama engafike naye hayi u2 yabo
sure
but elinye lalilobugebengu nyana nje phezulu babo so ngase ngathi ayibathali leke leli gama leli ngase ngathi nali lesibili ethi with them boys basethi uboy hlamba phezulu ngathi labafana abashwebe yabo yabo singena kanjalo ke le ngase ngithi ama social dance
ama social
because most yabhekisisa kahle iyona tag ene meaning kunamanye amathika ngisho ukuthi ayabheda awabheki amathika abafethu but yabo ngeke ngwamemeza futhi amathika abanye abafethu but ethi ne meaning labafana abashwebi ngengoma abashwebi ngengoma
straight up nje
yebo lona
imanje ukukhatha ngoba vele ubra wakho uDankie Boy manje uthini ke ngale ethi uboy is coke Durban
le attack le yona attack enikeza attack with them boys inkinga le but mfethu ngiyamjabulela umngane wami kakhulu but nakhona mfethu naye ngoba kade sebenza kanzima naye into boy ukuthi mfethu uyabona ukuthi naye sevuthiwa imela yedwa yabo so waqhubeka futhi wasebenza kanzima ngisho seyedwa so usho kona ukuthi kuningi kade kufisa ngayo mfethu
yabo sure no iplan kakhulu mfethu iplan kakhulu no ngisho nje the whole nje mfethu identity yeGqom because mfethu abantu what they need to understand ukuthi Konteka show one of my friends uGustavo I'm going to hit you up with him mfethu uhlaniphile wamjita and you understand the Gqom culture and the way it's moving uthe a lot of times iGqom like labekwa amabala yabo like labekwa amabala ngeke ngisho okuningi but sengisho ukuthi abantu bayohlezi beassociate bezama ukucindezela something enhle
yes
but mobuka pheshe ihip hop yasimama kudutshulwana kubulawana yabo but that doesn't mean ukuthi hip hop yapheshe imele lokho kuphela yabo so for every genre and for every creating that comes up mfethu kuyohlezi mfethu kuba nama challenges and kuyohlezi kuba neassociation sebafo echaza engathi mhlambe into yimbi but mfethu trust me you all have many khona umjito wathi mawukwazi ukuyiphilisa ngento oyiqale wena that's success yabo lo mawukwazi ukulala udlile ngento oyiqale wena so music mfethu weGqom umthathile wanibeka ezweni and ngiyazi ukuthi akupheli lapho mfethu uningi okunye mfethu esizokwamukela so just to wrap around mfethu sesoqeda senzokushaya ngesika amarazor nje bethi mnandi trimming yini osiphathele wona unyaka mfethu sucisha usuphela
bese kuningi ngiphathele kona but mfethu Hey, I would like to send a shout out to kule ngoma nje mfethu le cause kube khona inkinga eziba khona between Rhythm Boys yabo ele nalo mfethu umunye besiqale na but thatha story short angikho lapha ngifuna ukubuyela khona because I'm nice and right manje empilweni yabo so kube khona inkinga ezenzakalile kwaba ukuthi Rhythm Boys bayitshela ukuthi siphilile yabo then hey ngasengashaya kuyo impethu drawing board ethi uzobuya kanjani la because abantu basebephumile kumina bebaningi yabo baphumile kumina ngizobuya kanjani la ngahlala phansi mfethu hlala phansi ngenze i-EP nana ne-elevator yabo ngibona i-EP ne-elevator ngiyayibona iyahlupha izohlupha yona kodwa ayikabi fit enough ngathi mfethu ngithole nje umsingile kanti-ke sizohlala phansi no-Nator and asebonzini kanjalo baseqhamuka iSulumane kanti iSulumane lizoba yihit
yabo imafethu ngiyaxoxa ukuphazamisa kunaleli time leli mfethu leli lithi hayi nazo-ke sisaye enkonzweni
Nazareth
awungichazele yathama ukuthi ibelatha ngiyahlala naye
mina mfethu angazi ngibe ne-opportunity ngihlangana nalo mathime yabo but ngimbone nje naye mfethu shuthi mhlawumbe intwana yakhe naye incane igqomo mshaya amavidiyo because yambona into ayishoyo ukuthi uyayifundi utshela umuntu emuvi ukuthi hayi sayisontweni sihlangane khona yabo nje ayihlanganisa lento ekhulumayo but mfethu shout out to the time mfethu because mfethu imeli igqomi libeke igqomi kumele phela ikhombisa abantu ukuthi igqoma kulona leyintwana kuphela akulona alikhethe abantu ngaba mncane ngaba mdala ungaba ngakanani but igqomi liyaphilisa mfethu it's a culture kahle
ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngiphazamisile bafo ungadeni you can continue with updating me ukuthi unyaka usiphathelene iSulumane
mfethu so babe Sulumane kanti iSulumane sasibase dropa mfethu nabantu behind the scene nje mfethu abanye abaposta ama video before lidume nje mfethu ngengwabala amagama abo ngoba ngizosuke ngiwabala ngapheleli mase kuthiwa ngine politiki yabo so shout out to labo bantu mfethu abafakile isandla ukuthi igqoke ingoma idume lapho kanti ingoma izobe sikhipha mfethu in 1 month ithi 1 million into engangaze ngayibona kwigqomo leyo yabo angazi mikhona ungangitshela wena ingoma wakwayibona yegqomo yakashaya 1 million views in 1 month on YouTube
sure
khona bafona uyazi
hayi ngabe ngiqamba amanga mfethu
yabo ngisho ngabize yaba so umlando lo enguqophile mina yabo lonto ongasoze
wasuka emagameni
wasuka ngoba manje ik 2 months manje le ngoma le kodwa ina 1.8 million in 2 months kodwa so umlando lo ungalula
ukuthi ubeda umshayeli
because mina ngingaba ne-hit angithi ivathela yakhumbula ivathela ibina ne-dance challenge nje ivathela mhlambe ihlanganisa imillion in 1 month angigceki base ngishola ukuthi la ngokuthemba uNkulunkulu nokuthemba futhi into zakho nokuyithemba wena into yenzeka mfethu yabo lona kuyenzeka futhi into mawuyifuna kuyenzeka so nje mfethu yabo nje iSulumane yohlezi ngilipraise yabo and lisakhula manje and on top of that that is why ngidecide ukushaya music video ngingedwa yabo lona sashaya music video ekubona uzohlupha kanjani
awukaphumi ne
awukaphumi mhlawumbe sokhipha nje mhlawumbe next week
hayi niba ngizuleke bafethu
exclusively
on the Barber Show iSulumane mfethu awushaya challenge phela iSulumane
okay mfethu akwazi umdathela lele mfethu ngokushaya zokushaya
ngibulalela ne
akushaya
alright sure abusithi iSulumane kumele kudliwe iperformance emnandi
yes uzohlupha
siza kanje
mfethu awubala mfethu so mfethu sayidropa le iphina ne-elevator nazi igama la iForsa na imnandi yaphusha it's coming up
sure
I'm about to drop a single manje with Tangy Boy called Max and Captain
short
yeah Tangy Rhythm Boys Tangy Boy featuring called Max and Captain igama lengo mama cakes mhlawumbe kuba yizi
ama-cake ne
kamnganami mnandi khona ama-cake so it's our upcoming single mfethu ezodropa nje very soon mfethu and then so drop another EP with Okeman Mkhulukhethi CP's now drop another EP with Okeman Mkhulukhethi we're gonna drop another EP with Nator asebonzini so nje mfethu umsebenzi samningi kakhulu bafethu we're gonna drop an EP with them boys yohodwa this year before sivala unyaka so mhlambe nginaba 18 to 24 tracks usafuna ukuphuma
yabo
so
hayi bafethu hayi hard work mfethu iyayikhulumela mfethu.
Yeah,
And mfethu I really admire ukuthi umuntu othandayo nokusipana nabantu yabo, because part of what you've mentioned is that you understand ukuthi greatness comes as a collective yabo, not to shy away from your individual brilliance yabo Londo. So if you were ever gonna leave a legacy, how would you like to be remembered la emhlabeni?
Ngiba ngishilo nje bese mina noma ngiyazi bese ukuthi kuzoba kanjalo, bese ngiyomuntu onenhliziyo enhle onenhlonipho yabo, kodwa ngiyaziwa futhi kodwa mase ungibhedela ngiyashintsha yabo Lord. Angikhesi ukuthi uba, because yazi ngihlezi ngithi mina angikhesi umncane umdala, ngeke ngikusukele, angisoze ngakhuluma into ebuhlungu wena, kodwa mawufuna ukuthi mhlawumbe uzongithatha kancane ngoba nakho ubona abantu, ngeke ngikhethe ngoba nangithi ngulile ngiwithe employees, ngizokutshela sometime ukuthi uyangibhedela. I think that is when mina la ngihluka khona nabanye abantu yabo, ukuhlonipha fethu but uyazi fethu fanele ihlonipha, ngihlonipha nawe ungihloniphe, ungangihloniphi nami ngeke ngikuhloniphe, uyayibona Lord. So yeah,
respect is mutual. Kumele kube a mutual decision. Ngeke kwekuphethe umuntu uthi kuhloniphe kodwa nobuhluleka kumhlonipha.
Yes. So nje fethu uyikhumbukela kanje, uyikhunjulela njenge-out nje fethu ehloniphelayo emazi omunye umuntu kodwa futhi eshaya isipani fethu.
Sure. I know that's number one, because kuningi okuyi-evidence yabo esesikubonile kulokhu ukuthi ayiphethe isipani sayikhulumela ade ngiliphila kulelo vangeni. And mfethu, before we just wrap mfethu, nguNjabulo, ngihlala kaMashu, anginayo i-computer, angina monitor, angina mic, ngifuna kodwa kube i-producer. What's that one thing you'd advise me to start with?
First yabo manje umbuzo right, kunamafoni manje, amafoni ama-smartphone. So nje fethu uyakwazi ukuqala ngefoni yakho, ugange ngefoni yakho before uyovashela abafethu uyofunda kubona lapha ukuthi kufundwa kanjani yabo Lord. So uqala nje fethu uzemele wena ube nawo umsebenzi wakho, bakubalekile nento yakho, ube nento yakho ethi wena. So mawuthi yabona senzeke ucheck amajita around elokishini uthi obaba benza lento ufuna ukuyenza, uyahamba uyakhuthala fethu, awuthi awakufaka awuthani ngibizi wena uyakuwa yabo, angamani athi isicefe kodwa wena ufuna into oyifunayo yabo. Once usebonile ukuthi enziwa kanje azokuchazela ukuthi lokho akuthola kanjani, nawe uyahlanganisa njenge-out uyathola uba nento zakho, ukuba nengoma fethu, ukuthi uzube nawe udume fethu na same story, same energy applies, ukuthi uya-check around ukuthi ubani athi ekwazi ukukhulumeka naye, fethu linto wenza kanjani, fethu angenza kanje mina kanje kanje, now apply the same energy, or even more kuzosukutshela mina mhlawumbe usungafasha isource
ihamba ngamuphi umoya,
hambise umoya wakho fethu, kuyenzeka fethu, akungenzeki.
You heard it from Linda himself mfethu. Rhythm Boys, one of the most prominent duos mfethu on the Gqom era. You've seen them coming mfethu from Distraction Boys, West Behavior, and now mfethu Rhythm Boys is dominating the Gqom era. Not only dominating but also like being the pioneer behind the sounds about that they've created as a duo. So mfethu, it's been a great pleasure mfethu. I really appreciate you coming here. Always mfethu gonna be respectful towards your craft, and mfethu for you to humble yourself and be in this establishment mfethu. It surely means a lot mfana.
Sibonga mina nami ntelezwayo ngiba ngishilo ukuthi ngiyathanda ukuthi sibone esikhulu njengoba manje ngibiza ukuthi akusala angifike la ngiyabuzanga ukuthi hayi obama ngithe sazi, because there is a movement obviously ubani ngibiza like khona movement eyaphambili, angisondele ngizoza sengizwa khona ngihlale town mina ngasuka ngafeta sengifikile la
wathi asiyibone mfethu ukuthi yama ngamuphi umoya,
and ngiyakuthembisa this one is going to be the most amount of views and anything.
It's a great one, but to do follow and subscribe, check it out if it's Spanish, so say with them boys, mina haven't ngipimbi, ngabe sengiyabhenga manje, ngisuba futhi sama appreciate uba la part. Akusho ukuthi akumele nibhenge emakhaya.
Shaba for sure, lesivala nje. Shout out to Islaqa, bafethu Islaqa Saloon bafethu. nje ubona nje bese uyakhunda bese supportani out ithembu kakhulu ekhaya ndiyenza sure ukuthi uphuma umuhle lana and bafethu if you wanna book with them boys go to ama social media page it's William Boys _DJs yonke indawo so sithola kahle lapho or Facebook Instagram ama social dance kodwa still William Boys _DJs ngeke ungasitholi lapho uyazi nami ngiyayidedela inamba ngizosona ngifuna ama file shout out to everyone
Okay.